Today is an office day and we are in for a very long, very hectic day ahead. Kasi aside from work, I have to go to rehearsals for a performance tomorrow. It's going to be a one-day rehearsal. So, medyo matagal siya, medyo paspasan. Honestly, I'm not that worried masyado kasi yung iba kong deliverables, nagawa ko na sila yesterday. So, I only have quite a few things na kailangan kong gawin today. And yung pinaka worrisome lang talaga is yung morning deliverable ko kasi yun nga, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin. So, the plan is, after ng work ko, I'm gonna go back here sa condo and then I'm gonna go to UP Diliman. Baka if mag-overlap yung time, I'm gonna have to work from there. But should be doable. I'm so excited for the performance kasi I haven't been back to the stage in a long while and I really miss it. So I'm looking forward to it and I hope that it goes well kasi one day rehearsal lang. I'm working while preparing so medyo all over the place tayo. Recently, sobrang nag-focus ako sa short films to the point where I wasn't able to take on any theater projects. And wala naman ako nire-regret kasi ganun talaga yung ginagawa ko usually. I just alternate between theater and short films. Pero nakakamiss na talaga yung stage. I don't really like going to the office. It's nothing against like the people that I work with. It's just more of I don't like going out and yung social battery ko mabilis ma-drain. So, every time nalalabas ako, I have to allocate accordingly. Most of my clients naman, no, all of my clients are from Australia and then all of them, ako lang mag-isa from the Philippines. So, when I go to the office, I don't really have anyone that I directly work with. Minsan nasasayangan ako dun sa oras na travel, sana pinahinga na lang, sana ginamit pang gawa ng deliverables. Pero, you know, it's company policy. Wala tayong magagawa. Sana may mabook akong angkas kasi hindi na ako makapag-commute. It's already rush hour. Ayokong sumabay sa dami ng people kasi nga mabilis ma-drain yung social battery ko. And just being in crowds, girl.
nabigay na prompt sa amin is a Filipino song, but not in a like musical number. Eternal peace grant upon him, O Lord. Let your perpetual light shine upon him. May he rest in
Peace? Peace? Walang rest sa piece of shit na yan. Sabi, Father?
I just got home from UP. I think I would say the performance was a bit of a success. I'm not sure. It's not my class, pero I would say it was a success. And para lang alam nyo, what we did was I had to deliver a speech, a eulogy, except what I was saying were the lyrics of Stupid Love. So, imagine nyo na lang.
Nang may naman ko sa'yo. Kala ko pag-ibig mo yung tunay. Pero hindi nagtagal. Lumabas yung tunay ng kulay.
Anyway, I'm going to my best friend's house now. It's already kind of late. I think it's 9 already. I'm not sure. Pero I'm heading there. I need to borrow some clothes from her kasi I have another shoot on Saturday and yung peg nila for the wardrobe, it's not me. It's more of my best friend's style. I'm gonna go to her place. I'm gonna borrow some clothes, probably spend some time with her, and then I'm gonna go back here and try to get some rest kasi mag-office ako tomorrow. Grabe, this life as an actor na may full-time corpo, I don't know. I love it though. Grabe, pag-uwi ko kagabi, bagsak na ako. I was so exhausted from everything that happened. But I just wanted to share na I was so happy to be back on stage. I missed performing in front of an audience. And I'm looking forward to more opportunities like that. Kasi nga, since I'm juggling corpo and film, medyo mahirap pumanap sa schedule ng for theater. But honestly, the way that I miss it, parang feeling ko kaya kong take a break from doing films if it means being able to perform on stage again. So, ayun lang, very happy. My heart feels fulfilled even though my body is very tired. But I'm hoping for more.